She appears to be disoriented. Alcohol.
Something else fell on the ground.
Oh yeah, it was lighter. Well, I'm confused of like.
When does a passenger become a suspect? What legal threshold separates a medical emergency from a criminal offence? And what happens when the law offers someone a choice, but that person is unable to choose?
Hey guys.
How you doing?
Good. So, from what I understand, she was sitting right here, fell over, legs went up. She appears to be disoriented. Alcohol, but possibility that she's intoxicated. But she doesn't quite know where she's at. She knows her name, but if she doesn't exactly, she can't tell me where she's headed to. So,
are these random people?
Yeah, she's traveling by herself.
Okay.
You want to understand?
All right. Thank you.
All right. See you guys.
Something else fell on the ground.
Oh yeah, it was lighter. You
Okay.
lighter?
I can't see her face. You guys know her or?
No, we
just
saw
saw
her
her
on
fall.
the ground.
Okay.
Yeah, felt
We
like.
were two strangers. I was going this way, she was coming this way.
Okay, you guys saw her fall? Did you guys
yeah.
see her fall? Yeah.
Well, after she hit, her legs
we
were up
didn't-
in the air.
I did
We
not see
didn't-
her falling, actually. She was on the ground. Her head was on the ground. Oh, you did?
Legs went up in the air.
Okay. Well, the medics are pulling up now. Okay.
Her speech isn't, I don't know if it's normal for her, but her speech isn't. I'm sorry, but your speech, you seem like you're slurring. Don't get upset. I'm just trying to tell him so he can help you. Okay? So,
She was oriented one, I would say. She knows who she is, but she doesn't know where she's at.
Okay.
Or she cannot answer where she's at right now.
You don't know where you were coming from?
I'm so annoying.
Huh?
What's up? Rachel, where are you
let
from?
everybody help you.
Where are you from? Where are you flying from? I am just like very upset. Can you say that again?
You're very upset.
Very upset. Okay.
Do you have a plane ticket, maybe?
Yeah.
Can you see that? Can I help you further?
Your phone is in your purse.
And the medics are going to want to see your ID too. Is that okay?
It was out here.
Yeah.
She just put it in.
They're going to need it for her information. So.
That's just a magnet.
Is there a plane ticket in there too?
No, I did not see the paper.
It might be on her
Probably
phone.
on the phone.
Yeah, it's
but,
okay.
Yeah.
I guess over
Yeah,
here,
they'll be
right?
coming up the elevator down
They're
there.
coming up this elevator or whichever one.
Yeah, you have a plane. No, I know. Okay. Okay, Rachel. Okay.
It sounds like she's been drinking, but she doesn't smell like she's been drinking. So I tend to think it's from her fall, but maybe
She looks like she has, but
Oh, okay.
I had a drink.
we'll let the medics check her out.
Of course. Okay, she drank something. Okay.
Huh?
She said what?
She drank something today. She has some alcohol.
What'd you drink?
Why is it like such a bad thing of me to do? Are you upset about your life?
I don't know what she's saying. She said she drank.
I am crying.
Are you on any kind of medication? What's your name, Rachel? Are you on any medication or anything? Hi, nice to meet you. Okay, are you on any kind of medication?
I am not.
Okay, so you said you had something to drink today? What you had?
I'm sorry.
Huh?
Yes, I drink. Yes, I do.
Okay. How long ago?
Well, the medics are going to need to know. We need to know. Everybody who's involved needs to know. The medics are here right now. They're
Are
all
you
talking,
fucking
right?
kidding me? Rachel, you
Did she say ketamine?
No, she said she had the
Can we
medication.
try to get some answer to that?
Did you?
Bye, Rachel.
She's okay now.
It's here.
I got it. She's fine.
What's going on?
There's a unattended bag down there.
Yeah, we're gonna grab it.
Oh, okay.
Can you look at
No, they said it wasn't. They checked the cameras. It's not hers.
what happened? That's kind of where we.
Yeah, if y'all are done, y'all are good. With the only reason that they dispatched y'all before us because they said that she fell and hit her head, and then they dispatched us, so she's might be intox. So.
Yeah, she doesn't appear to have any kind of trauma to her head.
Yeah, just looking at her, I can tell she's intoxicated.
Right. And that's pretty much the situation.
Yeah, but y'all are good. Oh, is that something with a face on it? No bag tag on the actual, or no luggage to it. They're wrapping up. No, she's not.
So
Yeah.
you're probably going to end up going with them. So the question is, do you want to go with us to the hospital, or do you want to go with them?
Well, I'm confused of like.
It's either hospital or jail. That's your only two choices. We can't leave you here. So you have hospital, go rest it off, or jail to rest it off, which is not. I don't think you want that.
Okay.
I
You want to listen to me for a second?
yeah.
Since you are publicly intoxicated at DFW Airport. You've had way too much alcohol to drink. You are not going to be allowed to fly. The airlines will not fly you this way. Because of that fact, you need to be transported to the emergency room to be checked out. If you refuse to go with us, these nice gentlemen right here that are DFW police officers are going to take you up to the jailhouse. You have a choice to make. You either go with them or you go with us. It's a pretty simple choice if you think about it.
You know what? I have a lot of simple choice because, like, I love you guys so much. I really do.
Okay, jail or emergency room?
I love you.
Jail or emergency room? Jail or emergency room? Give me an answer right now. Because if you don't answer, you're going with them. It's pretty simple.
Can you tell me where you're at right now?
Come on.
I kind of can, and like it kind of hurts my heart. It hurts my heart. Sorry.
No, you're good.
Yeah, it does make me upset.
Hey, Rachel, is this your stuff?
Nothing. Rachel, real quick, is this your bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
From there.
Do you want to go to the hospital or you want to go to jail? What do you want to do?
What?
Hospital, jail.
Why?
No, that's
the choice you have.
right now.
Yeah, no, we were saying we were talking.
Okay, well,
and
this
then
is what
it
we're
was
saying
like,
now.
we
Hospital
were not-
or jail? That's it. Because you can't be left alone. You're too drunk and you're intoxicated in public, okay? So those are your options. We
and
can't
it was like
we can't sit here all day with you.
I'm sorry. I was very surprised
That would be a good idea.
What's that?
Take her up to the
I
jail
think it would
and
be
shut
better.
her off.
Yeah.
No, I'm fine. What's the class? Are you kidding me?
We can't leave you here.
That's very very exciting to me. I thought that we were gonna be okay, and that he was not, and so like
Now she's starting to get wild.
I'm just
Fab.
on like.
We're gonna take her. We're gonna take her.
Okay, too easy.
Alright, we got it.
Hospital.
No.
She's going to get agitated.
Alright, Rachel, go ahead and stand up for me. Stand up.
Wait. No.
Get up.
No.
Can y'all
No.
scoot the stretcher back for me?
No.
Come on. Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up. Don't do this. Stand up. Stand up.
There you go.
Stand up.
Okay. Hold on real quick.
Scoot all the way back. All the way back. Scoot all the way back. Thank you.
Good.
Those elevators.
Thank you, guys. Stop.
Get off of me.
Stop.
Honestly, you are hurting me.
I'm hurting you?
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
You're so welcome. Anything I can do to oblige you?
It really hurt.
Does it?
Yeah, it does.
I hate to hear that.
If you do that to me,
Hang out right here.
hurt.
Hang out.
We're not going anywhere. Just sit back, relax.
Put your shoe on. Put your feet back on here, please.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Put your feet back on here. Put your foot, other foot, right foot.
On the rail. There you go. Sit down.
Come on, dude.
Stop.
Stop.
Sit here. Hang out.
Yeah.
Stop. Okay?
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
Yes.
Stop. Are you fucking kidding me?
Put your foot back on here, please.
Rachel.
Put your feet
stop.
back on there. Just chill out.
Sit down. Don't.
Why are you grabbing me? What the fuck? Come on. Wait.
Sit down.
Wait.
Put,
Excuse me.
no, I don't need you to turn around. I don't need you to do anything.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Sit down, Rachel.
Stop. Sit down. Stop. It's a class C. That's all it is. You're going to go to jail, sober up, and that's it. It's basically equal to getting a speeding ticket.
What?
You're basically it's equal to getting a speeding ticket is the charge, okay? Don't make it worse.
Ridiculous.
No, it's not ridiculous. What's ridiculous is that you had so much to drink that you're falling over out of a chair.
Are you fucking retarded?
Is this your car? Will you move it? Yeah.
No, you're fine.
Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Really?
Absolutely. It's amazing.
You do?
Yes.
Really?
Get up.
You do?
You wanted to get up this whole. If you kick me,
No, actually,
Get
I
up.
just want to go be out.
I want you to stand up.
No.
Get up, Rachel. Let it go. You're being a child. Get up.
No. I'm...
What, is the ground cold?
Ew.
You kicked your shoes off.
Yeah. Fucking let
No,
me
this-
go.
No. All right, come on. Get in.
Let me go.
Get in the car.
Step up. Look, you can step up or we're going to place you inside. Step up.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the other side.
Step up or I will put you in the car. You understand? I will assist you. Okay. Take your left foot and step up. Or whichever. Face this way.
There you go.
Texas Penal Code Section 49.2 requires 3 elements: appearance in a public place, intoxication, and a degree of impairment sufficient to create danger to oneself or another. All 3 elements must coexist. The absence of anyone defeats the charge entirely. Texas law defines intoxicated as not having normal use of mental or physical faculties by reason of alcohol, a controlled substance, a drug, or any combination thereof. Alcohol odor is not a statutory element of the offense. Impairment from any substance qualifies. Texas Health and Safety Code section 462.41 grants officers a statutory alternative to custodial arrest, transport to a treatment facility. This option is discretionary, not mandatory, when offered and refused. That refusal carries legal weight in any subsequent Fourth Amendment challenge. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386, decided in 1989, established the objective reasonableness standard for use of force. Courts evaluate three factors: the severity of the crime, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to evade arrest. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S., 318, decided in 2001, confirmed that a custodial arrest for a fine-only misdemeanor does not automatically violate the Fourth Amendment. Probable cause alone is the constitutional threshold, regardless of offense severity. A Class C misdemeanor carries no custodial sentence as punishment under Texas law. Soft empty hand control is proportionate for a non-violent but physically resistant subject. Escalation to intermediate weapons without prior failure of lesser force would not survive Graham scrutiny. A spontaneous self-incriminating statement made without interrogation falls outside Miranda protections. Under Texas Rules of Evidence Rule 803, such statements are admissible as an exception to hearsay. A spontaneous admission directly and independently satisfies the intoxication element of Section 49.2. Key lesson: officers who offer the least restrictive alternative before invoking custodial authority insulate the arrest from Fourth Amendment challenge. Documenting that offer and its refusal creates a procedural record that substantially strengthens the lawfulness of any subsequent arrest decision. But one question remains unanswered. When impairment is medically ambiguous, who legally determines whether a person is intoxicated or injured? And does a choice between hospital and jail, offered to someone who cannot think clearly, constitute a meaningful legal choice at all?